Why is Indian markets underperforming despite having a strong GDP growth? Well, I'm sure all of you are curious to know what is the reason that you look at during this conflict between America and Iran. Indian markets have suffered the most. I mean, one of the fundamental reasons is that because the crude prices are going up and India is completely dependent on energy and energy import, and as a result of that we are paying more money in terms of dollar, and our rupee is also depreciated by almost 15%, more particularly in the last 65 days, and as a result of that our economy is going through very difficult time. But this is one reason fundamentally. But when you look at the other reason, which is your technical reason, what is happening is that because there are some other countries like South Korea or, for example, Taiwan, these countries are doing very well. I mean, they're doing well because they've invested good amount of money in artificial intelligence and some digital businesses which have grown very big and large, more particularly in the last 2 years. So what we are witnessing is humongous amount of growth coming from these two countries, or more particularly Taiwan, which is working very hard on semiconductor areas for quite some time now. Because they are doing well, their growth number looks stronger, and their weight in the emerging market index or even the global market index, developed economy index, is going up. And suppose you are the fund manager and suppose you have to allocate out of 100, say 25 rupees in emerging markets, and if India suppose had when you see that India's weight is going down, then you have no option as a fund manager to reduce your exposure in India, because the weight is going down, and on the other side the other country's weight is going up because of their market cap. So as the market cap is going down of our economy because of depreciation in rupee, and also because of the other countries are doing well, they have no option than to sell the equities. And as they started selling within now last 55-60 days, they have total sold more than $25 billion of assets in India, and as a result of that our share markets are also going down. But I think I would say that this is more of technical in nature, this problem. But fundamentally, there is no denying on the fact that India continues to be one of the largest engine for the globe in terms of GDP numbers, and it has become a kind of engine, I would say. On the other side, we see that AI growth, while looks extremely good at this point of time, but what needs to be examined in the light of cool period is how sustainable it is. But whereas you look at India, the businesses here are sustainable. The country has the track record of growing at about 6 to 7% for last 30-40 years. The profit pool of these companies which are listed, both BSE and SE put together, you have close to 7,000 companies, and their profit numbers are also growing to large extent. So this is more fundamentally very strong and robust economy. I know that because of these AI investments, there is some amount of technical problems that India is going through, but over a period of next 6 months things will settle down, and we are confident. Once you see that crude will start going down, once we see some decision likely to come as far as this war is concerned, you will see that things will settle down. With that, I would like to conclude here. Thank you so much.